Hello everyone, this is Nitesh from Cubelelo and today I am going to tell you how to record a video for solve analysis. In solve analysis, you have to provide a video recorded solves to our CUBEXPRTs. They'll check the video provided by you thoroughly and will give a detailed analysis of each solve along with an improvement plan. So once you make a payment for solve analysis, you'll get a scramble sheet in your mail. All you have to do is to make a video of 5 solves for the given scrambles. To record the video, please ensure that the cube is visible throughout the solves. Try to take the video from the back side so that the video will be taken from your point of view. Also, after you are done with the solve, show the timings in the camera if you are using a stack mat or any other timer. In case if you are using a CS timer on desktop or laptop, please make sure it's visible on the camera. Otherwise, show the timings after the solve. It will be better if you share a single short video with no cuts in between. After you record them, just send the video link on a given form and our CUBEXPRT will be back with the solve analysis within a week. That's it guys. If you have any query regarding solve analysis, just put them down in the comment box below. Thanks for watching this video and happy cubing.